if you want to automate your Skool community without passing by Zapier and you didn't find any solution yet, I got you. I got the right solution for you. Today I made the solution for you to automate Skool, your Skool community basically, and go high level without passing by Zapier and not having to spend $350 a year for a thing that can be free. So let's jump right into it. So basically, this is the pricing of Zapier. Is like 28 euros a month, and this is for like 750 tasks a month, and sometimes you need more if you have more members inside of your community. So I got this for you, and I made it for you for free. So basically, this is how it works. The logic behind it is to grab every member that joins like your community and make it as a contact in your CRM, which is Go High Level. And I've made this solution using Google Apps Script and some tricks I'm gonna show you right after. So this is basically how it works. We launch the function inside of Google Apps Script, and the first step that it's gonna do is gonna grab all the new, like all the members. Here it's like I mean, there is nothing added in here or nothing added in here, so it's gonna grab everyone. And yeah, it's right now sending the information to Go High Level. And I mean, we can reload the page to see the progress. And as you can see, it's adding all the members in. And yeah, let's wait for it to finish and see the final result. So yeah, right now it finished. It did take some minutes, like around less than around 2 minutes and a half. And as you can see, there is like 223 members overall. And here I reloaded the page in the CRM. Let's wait for the data, and as you can see here, 213. The reason it's not the same number because this is the information. There is people who did not answer to the questions, and also it added myself, and yeah, as you can see. But yeah, that's pretty much how it works. The tools that are used here are basically the Skool community. You should have a Skool community if you want to participate in the Skool games or create a Skool community. I have a link down below. Second, you need to have Go High Level, and you have to have like Google Sheets. Google Sheets, which is free. Go High Level, it is paid, but for some people might already have it in the Skool community, because like this solution is for like Skool community owners, and most of them, I think, they are using it, and this can be adapted to any CRM. So if you want to see this solution adapted to maybe Notion, to other types of CRMs, let me know. And I mean, you can use this automation only with Google Sheets, and you have everything you need in here in this sheet. So that's something additional. So yeah, the tools are Skool community, Google Apps Script and Google Sheets, and Go High Level. So let's build it from scratch. Now I'll show you how. So let's create a new sheet. Let's call it Skool automation demo. And yeah, let's just open up, you go into extensions and you open up Apps Script. This is in French, but it should be the same in English, so you shouldn't worry about it. So here you have a new project created. We're gonna name it the same. Oh my god. Here is it. We're gonna open it. Oh my god. Open it up. We're gonna name it the same as the sheets, and we're gonna go to my Skool community inside of the classroom. You're gonna find the link to my Skool community down in the description below. We would go into the classroom, and by the way, it's free, so this is a free resource. So you should go into the AI automation vault, and then you will find it here inside of Skool automations on how I automated Skool and go high level with Google Sheets. You're gonna find the code here, and you're gonna copy it. Let's copy it. Yeah, it is copied right now. Let's paste it in here. Should be good to go. So next step is to have these like informations: Google Sheets ID, Go High Level Webhook URL, Group ID, SK client, and authentication or authentication ID or token. So yeah, let's start by the Google Sheet ID. You're gonna find it in here inside of the URL between the two slashes. This is the ID. You're gonna paste it in here. Your group ID, whenever you are inside of your group, you're gonna find it in here. You're gonna open up inspect element. You do Control Shift C. Control Shift C. You're gonna have this HTML backend. We are gonna go into inside of network and then reload the page. And here we're gonna have access basically to the request URLs and every API call that well, Skool makes. This is the thing with Skool, we do not have like API access, like public API access and tokens and everything. So this is a workaround on how to make this happen. So yeah, we're gonna press the export button like this, and we're gonna have basically three API calls or API requests that are gonna happen, and you're gonna have a CSV file. So the logic behind this automation is basically redoing the same thing that we are doing here. It's like we are clicking on the export button, but it's actually getting clicked with the automation. We're gonna not have to click this button or anything. So it's gonna be done automatically through the script, and all the API actions, API calls that are gonna be done automatically, and then all the information is gonna get sent to the Google Sheets, like pasted into the Google Sheets, and then sent back to Go High Level through a webhook. So this is basically the logic behind this automation. So we're gonna click inside of this first one, and we're gonna, I'm gonna hide the information here because it's sensitive information, but sheet ID and Go High Level Webhook URL is the next step. So we're gonna save this. In pretty much like 50% of the automation is already made. So let's jump right into our CRM. We're gonna go inside of automation, and we're gonna create a new workflow. I'm gonna go to the folder I created especially for this. And so just so you know, this is a very, very simple automation. Like inside of Go High Level, it's like basically a webhook, and it creates a contact. That's pretty much it. So let's do the same thing. Create a workflow, start from scratch, and we're gonna name it Skool automation demo. Yeah, Skool automation demo. We're gonna add a new trigger called inbound webhook, and then you do fetch sample requests, and then you're gonna have this URL, and you're gonna copy it. You're gonna click on this or Control C, and then you paste it inside of your script. It should be good to go. I'm gonna execute it the first time. Yeah, we're gonna execute it the first time and try it. So whenever you execute any script on Google Apps Script for the first time, it will give you like the authorization aspect of it. So you just accept it. It's something legit. It's nothing to be afraid of. So you're gonna click advanced parameters, and you do access the script, authorize, and then yeah, it should added them, and then it should have sent already a request. So as you can see, this is the request that it is sending, but we're just gonna stop it for now. Just recuperate one request, and here, as you can see, this is a request we had, so we save trigger. And then the second action, which is create contact, add field, we do name, and then you click here, you click on inbound webhook trigger, and then first name, you do last name, you do the same thing. Yeah, you should see it like this. Yeah, email. So email it as a draft. That's pretty much the automation. Not gonna have to save it. And then you can use Google Sheets as your CRM. There's nothing wrong with that, and you can even do further automations. For example, sending an email blast through your Google account using only Google Sheets. This is like an example use case. You're gonna, inside of modules, and do download new modules inside of extensions. You do mail merge, for example. You do mail merge, and then this is like mail merge, and you can send emails to everyone inside of the list and have like this type of automation. So you can really play with it and adapt it to your budget, to your needs, to everything you have at the moment. So the last step is, we don't want to click this script 24/7 to launch it, and to be like having to deal with every time like you're gonna click and have new people join in, no, new people being added, sorry. So we're gonna go inside of Google Apps Script, we're gonna go to triggers. It's like a little alarm clock logo. We're gonna click add a new trigger. You're gonna let me zoom in. I think I can zoom in. Oh, wait. Yeah, so you're gonna click inside of this. You should select your function. You keep this as head, and the event, this is hourly trigger, I think. Yeah, hourly trigger, and you do like daily, or in minutes, in hours, and everything. I should have it in hours, basically. I mean, you can do it every 1 hour, every 2 hours, 4, 6, 8, 12, or I should do it every 2 hours, maybe good. And you have a notification if it's if it fails. You can do it every single day, or every hour or so, or having a notification immediately, and you do save. Yeah, if you have any questions about this automation, or you have a problem and I can solve it for you, no worries, I can help you. You can join my you can comment down below, or join me in my Skool community and talk with me one-on-one, like on the DMs. I'm always available inside of this community. Byte Brigade is basically AI automation made simple. I'm teaching people how to make money with AI inside of this community, and also how to implement AI automations and create like solutions that are actually useful and that helps you earn more money, gain more time, and solve bottlenecks in your business. So you should join. And also it's free, so zero risk on your end, and you can have exclusive access to some automations, use cases, case studies, basically secret case studies, and also secret automations that you can have. And we already I already launched it. There is like special prizes to win. There's a 7-day weekly contest for the leaderboards. Everyone who get top one inside of the 7-day leaderboard each week, they are gonna win a one-on-one audit for their business, where I'm gonna help them and consult their current workflow and give advice on how to implement the automations, and also send you resources and templates to implement them. So, deuces, I hope this automation was helpful to you, and we're gonna automate Skool and make it profitable. Deuces.